So we've got the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless earbuds, it's ear dots. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox it. So let me first open the box and let me see it. So this is what it came. This is how it looks. It's a case of it. So let me just take it off from here. Wow, looks so nice. My phone is Xiaomi, my earbuds now Xiaomi. I know I have another one, but a new one, so the other one is not for me now. I have other earbuds, but now I have these Xiaomi ones. Whoa, they look so nice. So I'm just gonna take off this from them, and I don't know, this something red here. You can see, okay, it's away. Which ear should we put it this time? I don't know how to put them, but I think you put them like this in. If you can see it. I don't know how to put them, but I'm just gonna put them in. And we're gonna take off the other one. And let's take this off actually. So satisfying. And you can actually see this red now here. You see the red thing there? Yes, I don't know what that is. I think just something safe for this, so it doesn't break. So let me actually, it's stuck in my fingers. Wow, they feel so comfortable in your ears. Feel so comfortable. Wow. Oh, these are like the, you know, the ear thing here. They put in the air. This thing. They're like extra ones with them. So yeah, that's good. Is there anything more with the boxing? I think there's something here. Oh, this is just a book for instructions, I think. Yeah, so you put them like this. Yeah, so I put them right. Yeah, book with instructions. Something else? No. So actually feel really nice on me, so thank you. Wow, nice, from Xiaomi did them. My phone is Xiaomi, my earbud is Xiaomi, so, and they actually write pretty like, it didn't take too long time, maybe like take 3 days only, because like I ordered them from like last week, and they came today, so like last week, yeah, so like they took only 3 weeks because it was Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday they don't deliver things, so it's closed. So, but it only took 3 days. So I have them in my ear. So I'm just gonna try them. I got and they're actually so cheap. They cost only $20, $20. So yeah, not very expensive. So. My impressions of these, I really like them, they're really good. Wow, I don't think they would be that good, but really nice and good actually from Xiaomi. They're cheap, really cheap, $20, $20, 200 crowns, like they're really cheap, not expensive. So if you want to get cheap ones, and get the Xiaomi ones. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Really like these, really nice. And a sub to the channel would mean a lot to me, so subscribe because we're doing giveaway subscribers. So I don't know, I might give away, but I might give away something special, so subscribe to be in the giveaway. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, peace out.